Hello students, today we will discuss 3 questions from exercise 12.2 NCERT book. Question number 11. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 cm sweeping through an angle 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. We are familiar with wiper of a car. Here in this picture you can see two wipers are there. When cleaning the glass it will form a sector. You can see in this figure two sectors are there. So for finding the area cleaned at each sweep of the blade we can use the area of sector. We can use the formula for finding the area of sector. So here radius will be 25 cm, that is the length of the blade. Here the length of the blade is 25 cm, therefore radius is 25 cm. And the sector angle theta, that is given here 115 degree. There are two blades, so total area of the sector made by the wiper, that is equal to 2 times theta by 360 into pi r square. Now we can substitute the value of theta and pi and r. Then we will get 2 into 115 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 25 square. Simplify this, you will get 158125 divided by 126. That is equal to 1254.96 centimeter square. So this is the area cleaned by two blades of the wiper. Now next question, question number 12. Question number 12. To warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spread a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 km. Find the area of the sea over which the ship are warned. In this figure you can see a lighthouse. So the radius will be the distance over which the light spread. In this question also we are using the formula for finding area of sector. So the radius will be 16.5 km. And theta be the angle that is given as 80 degree. The total area of the sea over which the ship are warned is equal to area made by the sector or area of the sector, that is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Now we can simplify this, 80 by 360 into pi r square. Substitute the value. Pi you can put 3.14 and radius is equal to 16.5. And simplify it, you will get 189.97 kilometer square. Here the distance is given in kilometer, so here you will get the area also in kilometer square. So in this way we can find out the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. Now next question, question number 13. Question number 13, the figure is given, it is a design. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure 12.14. If the radius of the cover is 28 cm, find the cost of making the design at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. Use root 3 equal to 1.7. So here we have a design. Total number of equal design equal to 6. It is given in the question. A round table cover has 6 equal design. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 equal design. So here you can name it as here. This point is A, B and center as O. So here you can find out AOB. Angle AOB equal to 360 degree divided by 6 equal to 60 degree. Here you can see this design, that means this AB. This AB subtended angle AOB. Similarly, these designs are equal, that means this arc ACB. Here arc ACB, that is the same as this arc also. All these 6 arcs are equal. They are subtending the angle at the center. So we have learned equal arc or same chord subtend equal angle at the center. That means these 6 angles are equal. Here we can see 6 central angle. One is angle AOB. Similarly, here other 5 angles are here. Total 6 angles. These 6 angles are equal. And also we know that the angle around a point is always 360 degree. So we consider the center O. The angle around this center O is always 360 degree. So each of the angle you can find out. Here angle AOB equal to 60 degree. And then the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter. It is given in the question. The radius of the cover is 28 centimeter. That means here OA equal to 28, OB also 28. And now you consider this triangle AOB. In triangle AOB we can see angle AOB equal to 60 degree, OA equal to OB. They are radii, so they are equal, so that you can say this is an isosceles triangle. And moreover, you can find out this angle B and angle A. They are also equal, and here central angle is 60 degree because the reason you find out here, this angle is 60 degree. Therefore, we can write out angle A and angle B also 60 degree. Therefore, this angle AOB is an equilateral triangle. So, for finding area of equilateral triangle, you can use the formula root 3 by 4 into a square or side square. So, here you can write, since the 2 arms of the triangle are the radii of the circle and thus they are equal, and one angle is 60 degree. Therefore, triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. So, the area will be root 3 by 4 into a square unit. Here A means OA. Small letter A means the side of the triangle. So, here we can take OA is a small letter A. Now, first to find out area of equilateral triangle AOB. Use the formula root 3 by 4 into 28 square equal to 333.2 centimeter square. Now you find out area of sector ACBO. Area of this sector ACBO. We can use the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. Here theta is the central angle, that is 60 degree. So here we can write 60 by 360 into pi r square. Here radius is 28 centimeters. So substitute the value and simplify it. You will get 410.66 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the area of a single design. So here we have to find out the cost of making the design at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. So first we will find the area of the design. So we will find area of a single design or one design first. So this is the design here, this shaded region. So here you can find out area of the single design equal to area of sector ACBO minus area of triangle AOB. Actually this shaded region, this design, it is a segment of the circle. So we can use the formula for finding segment of the circle. So here you will get area of sector ACBO, that is we already found, that is 410.66 minus area of triangle AOB, triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. We found here the area is 333.2. So you substitute here, then subtract both the area, so you will get 77.46 centimeter square. This is the area of one single design. Therefore, you find out area of 6 designs. That is 6 into 77.46 equal to 464.76 centimeter square. Now we find out the total cost of making the design. That is equal to 464.76 centimeter square into rupees 0.35 centimeter per centimeter square, because the rate is given, rate is 0.35 per centimeter square. Now multiply here, you will get the answer. The total cost of making the design is rupees 162.66. 162.66 rupees. That is the cost of making 6 design. So this is about question number 13. I hope you understand these 3 questions. If you have any doubt, you can message me or you can make the comment. Thank you for watching the video.